The different municipalities comprising the province of Zamboanga Sibugay in the Zamboanga Peninsula region or Region 9. The province of Zamboanga Sibugay has the municipality of Ipil as its provincial center or provincial capital. It is a part of the Mindanao Island Group in the Zamboanga Peninsula region or Region 9. It is composed of 0 city, 16 municipalities, and 389 barangays. It was founded on February 22, 2001. The total land area is 3,607.75 kilometers squared or 1,392.96 square miles. Zamboanga Sibugay is bordered clockwise from the north by Zamboanga del Norte, Zamboanga del Sur, Damangkilias Bay, Moro Gulf, Sibugay Bay, and Zamboanga City. Here are the different municipalities comprising the province of Zamboanga Sibugay in Region 9 or the Zamboanga Peninsula region. The municipality of Alicia with 27 barangays, municipality of Buog with 27 barangays, municipality of Diplahan with 22 barangays, municipality of Imilda with 18 barangays, the municipality of Ipil, which also serves as the provincial center or provincial capital with 28 barangays, municipality of Cabasalan with 29 barangays, municipality of Mabuhay with 18 barangays, and the municipality of Malangas with 25 barangays. We also have the municipality of Naga with 23 barangays, municipality of Ulotanga with 19 barangays, municipality of Payao with 29 barangays, municipality of Roseler Lim with 26 barangays, municipality of CI with 29 barangays, municipality of Talusan with 14 barangays, municipality of Titay with 30 barangays, and the municipality of Tungawan with 25 barangays. And that is all about the different municipalities comprising the province of Zamboanga Sibugay in Region 9 or the Zamboanga Peninsula region. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.